In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list in Google Tasks. If you use Google Tasks to keep your day organized, creating separate lists is a simple way to keep different parts of your life neatly sorted. Work, home, errands, you name it. In just a few taps, you'll have a dedicated space to group related tasks so you can focus on what matters without clutter. First, open the Google Tasks app. It's the one with the blue circle and a small checkmark inside. When the app loads, you'll land on your current task view. If this is your first time using it, you might see a default list such as My Tasks. That's perfectly fine. You're about to create an additional list to keep things even cleaner. Next, look to the bottom left of the screen for the Menu button. You'll recognize it by three stacked horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap that. This opens the navigation panel where you can see any existing lists and a few options related to organizing them. Think of this menu as your hub for moving between categories and creating new ones. In that menu, tap Create New List. This is the command that tells Google Tasks you want a fresh container for a particular theme or project. Using separate lists is helpful because it reduces mental noise. When you're in your work list, you're not distracted by groceries, and vice versa. It also makes it easier to review progress in focused chunks. You'll now be prompted to enter the list title. Type a clear, specific name that reflects how you plan to use it. Something like groceries, client projects, trip planning, or home repairs. Short descriptive titles make it faster to find the list later and keep your sidebar tidy. If you ever change your mind, don't worry. You can rename the list afterward without losing anything. When you're happy with the title, tap Done. That's it, your new list is created instantly. You'll see it appear in your menu, and Google Tasks will switch you into that list so it's ready for you whenever you want to begin organizing tasks within it. And there you have it. You open the Google Tasks app, tap the menu in the bottom left, selected Create New List, and entered a title before tapping Done. With this simple workflow, you can build as many focused lists as you need and keep your planning streamlined and stress-free.